In this video, I'm going to show you how to create infograph with Microsoft Copilot completely free of charge. Doesn't mean I'm on my Microsoft Copilot and I gave it this engaging and very detailed prompt to create an engaging infographic titled The 10 Essential Tips for Public Speaking. Use a clean and professional layout with icons and visuals and so much other details, and I will send it in. Take a look at what it has given me. Very detailed and very fantastic infograph. You can see public speaking, 10 essential tips to public speaking. You can see the tips 1 to 10, and you can see the details of each with the icons and so on. Very detailed and direct. So this is also downloadable. You can download it and share with your friends very easily. Now I give it another prompt. Design a visually appealing infographic titled The Future of AI in Nigeria. Highlight key sectors impacted by AI such as agriculture, education, healthcare, transportation, and finance. This much details, and take a look at what it has given me. Wonderfully, it has designed the future of AI in Nigeria, highlighting the sectors, the statistics, opportunities, and challenges. And you can see this is a wonderful one. It has given me a fantastic one. So let's say we want to try and see. You can see it is equally downloadable. So let's say we want to try one more. Okay, so let's go ahead and enter. And wonderfully, take a look at what it has created. I ask it, can you give me another infograph on the process of designing a car? And take a look at what it has given me, the car process, car design process, from research to refinement. Take a look at the processes, prototyping, testing, and refinement, and so on. It's a very cool one and it's downloadable. Okay, so you can go ahead and create your infograph, your fantastic infographics with this tool. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.